Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website that I found out on internet which allows you to generate unlimited AI related images. It's similar to Nano-Banana of Google, but this website is 100% free. It doesn't charge you any kind of subscription fees, nor it allows you to log in. So you can actually generate unlimited videos, images without login. So there is no limit to it. So this is actually the website Imageka.com. I have also given the link in the description of the video, so you can even simply search for this Imageka. This website will directly come right here. So I'm personally trying this for past 6 months and it is giving me good results. So you will see the interface of the website is quite simple. You have the simple chat prompt. So here you will exactly type what sort of image you want to generate, and right here you write the simple prompt. It also have the functionality to enhance this prompt as well. So as you click the button, the AI will simply write enhance this prompt, and after you fill out this captcha inside the settings, you can even also change the styling of the AI image which you generated. So it has all these things. You can even change the resolution as well. You can control the resolution as well, and at one time you can also select, if you want to generate 4 images, you select it from the drop down, and now you simply click generate image, and instantly you will see the images will be generated, and it's offline. It's directly, you can see the images are successfully generated, and you can click the view button to actually see the images. And if you see the images, there is no watermark out there as other AI providers put a watermark, but this website is really insane. And you also get the download image button. So once you click the download button, your image will be downloaded inside your machine. So you can see the high quality image. It's looking like a professional full HD image. There is no watermark as well. So this is the second image generated. You can see that this is the third image. You will see that. So all the images are simply related to one another. So you will see that the same color combination is used as well. So now you can also change the prompt here. Let's suppose I say, so I change the prompt here, and all the images are directly saved inside your browser. So it is not, the images are not uploaded to any kind of server, so it's a single static application. So let me change it to other style here, sketch, and again click on generate image, and you will see that another a bunch of 4 images will be generated here. And the time taken to generate these images are also very less. Instantly, as you click the generate image button, quality images are generated. You will see that now this is a sketch image, so it is looking like a sketch image. So these images are really looking real images. It is not looking like it is generated by AI. This is the best alternative to Nano-Banana or any kind of image generating subscription site that you are using. So you can directly use this website for completely free, and there is no actual limits to it. You can generate thousands or millions of images through AI. The time taken is also very good. So you can see that this is created by some kind of individuals, and they are not charging any kind of money, and they also have the dark mode as well. You can see that. So you can use this website to create thumbnails, social media templates, any kind of things you can use. So if I change this VS Code coding thumbnail, so as you see that there is no limit to it. I've generated all these 12 images. I didn't get any kind of subscription notice. So you can see that. All the images are really good. So you simply fill out the prompt here and click on generate image. So this is a really good Nano-Banana alternative. So definitely check out this website. So the thing about this website, the speed is also really insane. It doesn't take too much time. As you click the generate image button, instantly the images are generated and directly saved inside your browser. So it is not uploading to any kind of server. So it's a static application. So for a free website, the quality looks really good. So I have given this link in the description. Definitely check this website out.